Hello, good people, dearest friends. How are you doing today? Okay, today's video is an amazing one. Yes, we are just coming from inspection. We are coming from Centenary, one of our estates situated in Centenary City. And then on our way back to the office, it started raining. And I was like, okay, I think it's gonna be nice to video the environment so that you would see how the city of Enugu State looks like when it is raining. And then while we were going, I discovered something very, very interesting. Okay. Okay, I said, it's in fact it's even good I did this video so that you would also see what I saw, and to ensure that I covered the environment very well. We didn't go back to the office immediately. Okay, we proceeded to running this video to some interesting part of the state so that I'll be certain that okay, this thing I saw is what it is. So just watch this video till the end so that you'll also see what I saw. It's gonna amaze you, trust me. Just watch the environment of Enugu State when it is raining, and then you would see what I told you I saw. And you can imagine what made me change my direction from going to the office to running a video to show you better how the city looks like. So just watch the video till the end, and you will do the discovery yourself. Okay, look at it. At this point, it stopped raining. Keep watching, just keep watching. Wow, okay, look at it, look at it. You can see it didn't even rain at all from this point. And from here, if you are following the video, you would observe that it only rained from some part of Opera Square down to Centenary. That's Port Harcourt Expressway to Centenary. Okay, but from some part of Opera Square to this place, like you're seeing now, it didn't rain at all. As a matter of fact, it is even sunny. Okay, so sometimes you may be somewhere and you tell someone, oh, I will meet up with you in a jiffy, it is raining where I am. And if the person is at the place where it's not raining, he or she might think you're lying. Okay, so the weather plays a trick on us sometimes. So I observed this and I was like, okay, I'll go to the office much later, but I need to show you the city of Enugu State and the weather during the rainy season. Okay, so that when you experience such, you wouldn't say the person is lying. Okay, so the weather plays trick on us. Quick one, this point, this is the government house. That's the right side. If you're taking the right side, you'll be going to the government house. So sit back and enjoy the weather of Enugu State during rainy season. Okay. we are about coming to the end of today's section. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this drive. I hope you enjoyed the views of Enugu weather during the rainy season. Please like, share our video to your friends, to everyone you know. Okay, and if you are new on the channel, kindly share this video and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, like right now, go and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. To our old subscribers, thank you. Hope you remember this environment. This is the road to tunnel, the road to Ebano tunnel. We have a video of this environment. Okay, the video I tagged Ebano tunnel in Enugu State. So if you have not seen the video, you go and watch it. Okay, look at the tunnel. So I remain your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Lovett Aneke. Please call me right now. I have a deal for you. I have an investment property that we just launched and it is still selling at its pre-launch price. Call me immediately. Let me tell you more about it. Call me immediately. Let me direct you. Call me immediately because you know that I have your interest at heart. I told you in one of my videos the best time to invest in landed property, which is during a pre-launch. So this property I am telling you about is at its pre-launch price. So call me right now. Let me tell you more about it, how you get to see it and how you're going to invest and what you're going to benefit from investing there. Call me now on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.